Greetings and welcome to another one of our videos. We'd like to invite you to listen to the last Voice of Yoga show that aired February 16th, 2026. The topic of that episode was the purpose of corporeal sense. Swami, your insights.
The purpose of incarnation is to reveal the concealed divine image and likeness, which is done by reflecting the perfection of being in the corporeal sense testimony.
Looking to be the perfect image? Well, listen to the podcast. Visit the website, www.ipdtransform.com. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful Kriya Yoga realization. Namaste.
Namaste.
Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya